A committee consists of 6 members, A, B, C, D, E, and F. A has veto power. B, C, D, and E each have 1 vote. F is a non-voting member. For a motion to pass, it must have the support of A plus at least 2 additional voting members. Okay, so the crucial observation is right here. A plus 2 additional voting members is what it takes to pass anything. And remember that F's a nobody because F is a non-voting member. Okay, so the question is, in the winning coalition A, B, D, F, which of the players are critical? There may be none or more than one, so choose all that apply. So this isn't just one answer. It might be like those 3 or something, right? It's going to be, or it could be none of them. There's going to be more than one answer probably. So we're going to check several boxes. Let's take a look. So how do we do? What does it mean to be critical? That's what this problem is all about. If you're critical, if you drop out, then the team loses. Right? That's when you're critical to a team. If you drop out and then they lose, well, then you were critical. They had to have you. So let's go through it. Let's start up here with player A. If A drops out, this is the winning team right here. If A drops out, then they only have B, D, F left. Do they lose then because A dropped out? Yeah. Because to win, remember, you have to have A plus 2 additional voting members. So, yeah, they're going to lose. So that means A is critical to that team. They have to have A. If A drops out, they lose. A is critical to that team. Let's go on to B. We just drop them out one at a time. So I did A first, now B, just B. So that would leave behind A, D, and F if B dropped out. So would that become a losing team? Yes. Why? Because you have to have A and then 2 other voting members. Remember, F's a nobody. F's a non-voting member. So they just have A and 1 other voting member if B dropped out. So that would become a losing team. So B is critical. They got to have B. If B drops out, they lose. All right, let's go on to D. If D drops out, then they're just left with A, B, F. Does that become a losing team? Yes, by the same logic, because F's a nobody. They only have A and 1 other voting member. They become a losing team if D drops out. D's critical. They got to have D. Last check. How about if F drops out and they have A, B, D left? Does that become a losing team? No, because they have A and 2 voting members. They're still a winner. So F doesn't matter. Of course F doesn't matter. F is a non-voting member. F's a dummy. F's a nobody. So F is not critical in any way. So the critical players are A, B, and D. So we just check those boxes.